Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to Westwood Living. Today we're going to be working on a dining table made out of hickory. So here I'm just cutting them up to size and cleaning up the edges. This is a part one of a three-part series of a client who did this table, and future video will be a bookshelf, and some nightstands. So make sure you subscribe so you guys can see those as well. Yeah, just cleaning them up was a long process. I almost forgot about it until I seen it now. Yeah, and we're sorting by color just so we can use the nicer pieces for the main part that you see. This is actually sorting for the bookshelf, not the table.
It was also used for the table, so that we knew what to put at the bottom, because we normally cut it in half and we go to the bottom.
Oh yeah, we use to make it thicker because they wanted them 2-inch thick tabletop, and they come raw 2 inches. So by the time we planed them down, we ended up with about 1.5 inches. So we glued on about 1.5 inches or a half-inch onto the bottom of them. And then this is Margaret. She's filling and sanding. A lot of filming and sanding. Filling, not filming. No, that was too. Filming too. And sanding. So here I'm just marking center to drill a hole to be able to put it in my lathe for the chuck to hold. And this was fun because that bit wanted just to take my hands off. Also, I got the clamp there to give me extra leverage. Drilling end grain isn't easy or fun at all.
Yeah. No.
End grain. And then I'm just turning the end that's going to end up being drilled and put into the tabletop. You'll see that in the next couple clips here. Doesn't look like I'm doing much, I guess that's what lathe work is. Doesn't look like you're doing much.
But he's doing stuff.
I would have liked to have a top view, but I have no way of mounting that camera up there yet.
One day.
But yeah, that's how they turned out there. So you already drilled those holes. The holes I drilled on a day, I don't know, the camera was dead or we didn't have something. I can't remember what it was.
You did it.
It was the show we were working on.
Yeah.
And it was time constrained. That's what it was. This was the day of the show. I think the day before, Trinda and Margaret were setting up while I was putting this table together so we can bring it to the show. So we have something to show. So I'm just gluing the legs in right here. And then checking for square on all sides. And just clamping them in place. But yeah, I don't know how long this actually took me, but it didn't feel long, or felt painful, kind of.
It took like 15-20 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, but once that was in place, and it was like solid. Even when we delivered them, I think we actually held the table by the legs itself.
Super sturdy.
To drill those holes, I actually rented a meg drill But then I need a steel plate to clamp to the table so I could actually drill the holes. It was a little workaround, but we managed to do it. And here I'm just rotary out underneath because to hold the table from cupping. What are they called again? The metal.
There were C brackets.
C clamp? No, not C clamps.
I think it's C bracket.
Yeah. Well, C channel, the metal. So I bought some 3" by 1.5" C channel that you'll see. I think it's the next clip after. Now I just cut them to size, drill them out. But yeah, I'm just rotoring out the inset for them, chiseling out the little bits that the rotor didn't get. This is actually after the show. So the show we didn't even glue the legs in place. We just put them in so we could remove it easily.
We used tape.
Yes, tape to firm it up.
Yeah. And it worked surprisingly well.
It just needed to stand there so people could see it. No one was dancing on it. Not that kind of show.
Yeah.
And there's them already made. Just drilling the holes for the inserts, the thread inserts. I just bought these ones off Amazon, so I didn't know where to get them. But if you guys know where to get really good inserts, threaded inserts, can you just leave them in the comments down below? I'd really like to know where to get some really good threaded inserts, because Amazon has just a bunch of crap. So just removing the rust on these C channel lock C brackets.
C bracket channels. C channels.
C channels. They're C channels. I keep forgetting the name. They're just C channels from our local, just a steel supplier here in Chilliwack. And here I'm just spraying it with some matte black high heat paint. Because high heat paint, once you heat it up, it actually becomes really durable. Yeah, here I'm putting in those threaded inserts. Like I said, if you guys know where I can get better ones, please let me know in the comments. Please.
He broke like 3 of them.
I broke a ton of them. They're garbage. I have to be so careful. Well, it is hickory too, but so we sanded off the bottom because it was too dark. So I'm just reapplying. Did a base coat of a stain, a brown stain, and then they wanted it slightly more gray, so I sprayed on a light gray stain on top of it. And there you have it. Finished product. Let me know what you guys think. I think this was an 8 feet by 42 inches, yeah. 8 feet by 42 inches, and I think it weighed close to 400 pounds.
It was heavy.
That thing was heavy. Okay, thanks guys. Make sure. Bye. I don't know what you make sure for. Bye.
Check out all the links in the description. Like and subscribe.
That too.
And yeah, see you next time.